hotdog. Kati ka dito.
Hindi daw.
Thursday.
Memorize mo na yung schedule.
Yes.
Ay, kasama daw ngayon this time si Carol. Hindi niyo po nalalaman.
Ayan, sorry. Ayan na, Carol. Ay, Carol, congratulations sa Franciscan mo. Bago umalis si Mayor Ona, sabi niya sa akin, i-text mo ako kung kailan aalis yung Franciscan para makapagbigay ako ng cash sa kanila pabaon. Sorry talaga.
And we prepared songs na nauso nung time natin. Noong high school. Sana! Okay, sige. May announcement daw si Jerry. Nagagalit ka si Jerry.
Kailangan, pasensya na kayo ha, kailangan i-event ako to eh. Meron po tayong available na 6 na extra small shirt. At saka hindi ko alam anong size ng mga nando. Kunin nyo na rin, i-event na natin. Huwag nyo lang intayin ako ang lumapit sa mga table nyo para i-eventa yan. Mapapahiya lang kayo sa akin. Sabi, sino kakahiya kung pinakita ko kayo? Mas kaigilin mo, nung tayo pumunta doon, 10 na lang yung shirts na yan. Extra small, 6 na extra small. At saka yung 4 na yun, naka-display pa for safety na, di ba? Sige na, hindi tayo makakas dito na makakabalik sa system. Thank you.
Jerry, may bayad yung pagpasok, may bayad din yung paglabas. Correct. Ayan. Kuya. Yan. Sana po magustuhan nyo. Matagal po namin ito pinag-practicean. Kanina hong alauna habang kumikidlat. Oh, bahala na. Kaya pag-pasensya niya kung ano po lumabas sa kanta namin. Sabay kayo po. I never needed you to be strong. I never needed you for pointing out my wrongs. I never needed pain. I never needed strength. My love for you was strong enough, you should have known. And it's a little bit of the same. And my eyes burn and shiver. So look at me and listen to me. I don't want to say another minute. I don't want to say a single word. Hush, 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 hush. There is no other way. I get the final say. I don't want to do this any longer. I don't want you. So let me say hush, 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 hush. I know it's spoken or our love is broken. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never leave. I learned how to carry on. And so you went from outer space. I just want you to find here with that look on your face. Should have changed my stupid luck. Should have made me keep right up. Show you just for a second. You'll be back to one of me. Don't I go? Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not one for me, boy. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with fire? You think I crumble? You think I lay down and die? Oh, no, I was alive. Oh, as long as I know how strong, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give. I'll survive. I will survive. I don't want to stay another minute. I don't want to say a single word and hush, 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 hush. There is no one way. I get the final say. I don't want to do this any longer. I don't want to. There's nothing left to say. Hush, 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 hush. I've already spoken. All love is broken. Baby, hush, hush. Ito po totoo, yung panahon na natin. May isang song na favorite ko ng lahat. Alam mo, sorry.